So we've got question 1 is I can correctly label parts of a circle. So Leonie, what's this one called? This bit here, that bit there.
Diameter.
That's the diameter. Thank you. So 1 mark for that. Okay. Who wants to call? What's this called? This one. Poppy.
Radius.
Radius. Thank you. And what about the edge of the circle all the way around?
Circumference.
Jordan, thank you. Circumference. And who got this bit? Hand up. Tangent. Well done. Okay. Right. So that's that first one. To get all 4 marks, you need all 4 things. This next bit. Find the circumference of that circle. We use the formula circumference equal to pi times diameter. What is the diameter in this case? Diameter in this case. Hand up.
10.
Hand up.
10.
10. Thank you, Lily.
Yay!
So it's pi times by 10 or 10 pi, which you put in the calculator is 31.42 rounded, yeah. And that's centimetres. Okay? Yeah, I'll still give you that. That is, to get all marks, you need all that working down there. Right, takes us only 3 marks. So you need the formula and you need everything else from there. Next bit. Okay. Right, this one. I can calculate the arc length of the circle. So we just want this bit of the arc, okay? We're not interested in the whole circumference, we're just interested in this bit. So we use the formula still. Circumference equals pi times d. So pi times what in this case? What's the diameter in this case?
8.
8. So pi times 8. So that's 8 pi. That gives us a circumference of the whole circle. We only want 40 degrees out of 360. So you times that by 8 pi. You put it in a calculator. What do we get? 2.79.
Yeah.
2.79, and that's centimetres. Okay? Happy at that point. Next one is finding the area. When you find the area, you use this one. Okay, use this circle. Use this this formula. Area is equal to pi times r squared. So what's the radius in this case, Tegan? What's the radius? It tells you in the question. R is equal to 5. So it's pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so it's 25 pi. Put that in the calculator and we get what?
78.51.
78.51. Do people agree with that?
I got 5.4.
I got 5.
Okay, that'll be when you're rounding it and stuff, so we'll just leave it. You say it's correct for now and I'll double check them when we get to there. So that is millimetres this time. Okay, so make sure you got the units of measure. You need all that to get all marks.
Millimetres squared.
Oh, sorry, yeah, it's millimetres squared, that's my fault. You've got to have millimetres squared to get all the marks. Right, next bit. Finding the area of a semicircle. This semicircle here. To find the area of any circle, we use area is equal to pi r squared. So r in this case is what?
What?
What's r in this case?
5.
5, is it? That's the diameter.
25. Radius is 2.5.
2.5. It's pi times 2.5 squared. 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. So it's pi is equal to 6.25 pi. Okay, that gives the area of the whole circle. We only want half of it, so we half that.
We get 4 points.
So it's 6.25 pi divided by 2 gives us 9.82, and that's in metres squared, okay? So if you made a mistake, don't worry about it too much. Next bit, last question. We're finding area again, but we're only finding 100 degrees out of 360. So we want 100 out of 360 times by that formula. That
16.
formula is pi r squared, which is equal. I'm going to have to write this. I have to write this up here somewhere. So it's 100. So it's 100 over 360 times by 16 pi. We put that in the calculator and we get what?
13.96.
96, and that is a millimetres squared. And this is a metre squared. Good. Well done.